Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change up the colors on your Blocksy footer. Okay, so let's scroll down and you can see we have our footer area over here and it's kind of plain. So let's go ahead and figure out how to change up the colors. So what you want to do is click on Customize or go on your dashboard, hover over Appearance and click on Customize. That will take you to the WordPress Customizer. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at our footer here. We have our top row, our main row, and our bottom row. If you click on header, we can see that our footer. Excuse me. We can see that we have our global footer options over here, and we have top row, middle row, and bottom row. And if you click to customize one of these or click on edit, you see it takes us to the same one. And you can see top row, middle row, and bottom row, but it's the same. We can click on design, and we have our row background here. And for the meantime, okay, so I just disabled the sticky header just so it doesn't get in the way. You can see here it's inherited from the global background. So we can click on this and you can change it to red or a gradient. Maybe something like this might be in order. There you go. And we can add a divider, right? And we can make it a bit bigger. We can make it full width. Let's make this black so you can see. And we can add a bottom row divider, and we can make this 5 pixels, and then make it black as well, and then make it full width. Right? And we can do the same for the rest. So let's click on middle row, click on design, and we can change the background to a different gradient. Let's choose this one. Oh no, it's the same one. Let's choose this one. All right. And then we can add our dividers, full width, a full width, and then let's make them a bit bigger. 4 pixels. Let's make it red. And then for the top one, let's do the same one. Let's make it burgundy, and you can see, all right, it's changed up. And we also have column dividers over here, and you can see that we have spaces between them, and we can put dotted lines, right? And then last but not least, we have our bottom row, and we can change the background to a solid color like green, and add our dividers. Make full width, and then let's change this to 4, and then add some color to it. Oops. All right. So there's our custom colors and borders for our Blocksy footer. So let's click publish and see our changes. Okay, one last look at our original footer over here, and let's click on refresh, and you can see we have a bunch of colors and borders and backgrounds for our Blocksy footer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.